In this question, you have to identify the rRNA that acts as a structural RNA as well as ribozyme in bacteria. Option A, 23S rRNA. In bacteria, 23S rRNA is a component of the large ribosomal subunit, that is the 50S, and functions both as a structural mRNA and as a ribosome because it has peptidyl transferase activity catalyzing the formation of peptide bonds during protein synthesis. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, 5.8S rRNA. It is incorrect because this RNA is found in eukaryotes as a part of the large ribosomal subunit, but it is not present in bacteria and does not function as ribozyme. Option C, 5S rRNA. This is also incorrect because it is a structural component of the ribosome, but it does not have catalytic activity. Option D, 18S rRNA. It is also incorrect because it is a part of the small ribosome subunit, that is 40S in eukaryotes, and it is not found in bacteria.